Hey Awesome Universe, hey, it's Master of Awesome. Hey all doing? Hope you're all a great day everywhere on the world. Well, basically guys, this is just for me, just saying a big thank you for all the support, because, you know, if it wasn't for you guys, obviously I wouldn't have been doing YouTube, I wouldn't be doing all these projects I love to do, and now this big movie project, this big cinematic universe that me and other YouTubers, like the Spider-Man community and the A-Holes of the Galaxy team are doing together for the A-Holes of the Galaxy big movie. Obviously my solo movie was released, and I'd like to say thank you a lot for the support and thank you for the positive reaction you've given it. We're very excited about what we're going to be doing for this movie franchise on YouTube. We're all insanely excited and we can't wait. So basically all I will say is now leave a like and comment for your opinions, subscribe for more videos, and as usual I will continue to give you updates on the big movie franchise that we are doing we are planning, and we are, you know, uploading like every few months. Bye guys, I'm really awesome.